While many people use bay leaves as a cooking ingredient, you'll be amazed at what they can do when you set them on fire. Let's go ahead and discover why you should consider this ancient practice. Don't forget to like this video first. Before we delve into the why, let's take a quick look at the history of this practice. The burning of bay leaves has been a tradition in various cultures for centuries. The ancient Greeks and Romans used it for spiritual rituals, and today, it's gaining popularity as a holistic approach to improving one's well-being. Burning bay leaves isn't just about creating a pleasant aroma. It's rooted in science. Bay leaves contain essential oils, such as eugenol and myrcene, that release beneficial compounds when burned. These compounds can have a positive impact on your health and environment. Stress reduction and relaxation. Burning bay leaves can be a simple and effective way to reduce stress and induce relaxation. The soothing aroma can help calm your nerves, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of tranquility. If you've had a long, stressful day, burning a bay leaf can be a wonderful way to unwind. Respiratory benefits. The act of burning bay leaves also has respiratory benefits. Inhaling the aromatic smoke can help clear your airways and relieve congestion. It's a natural decongestant that can ease breathing difficulties and coughing. Improved sleep quality. Do you struggle with sleep? Burning a bay leaf before bedtime might be the solution you've been searching for. The calming effect of the aroma can promote better sleep quality, helping you fall asleep faster and enjoy more restful nights. Antioxidant properties. Bay leaves are rich in antioxidants that can help neutralize free radicals in the environment. By burning them, you release these antioxidants into the air, which can reduce oxidative stress in your body and contribute to better overall health. Mood enhancement. Burning bay leaf aromas are said to uplift your spirits and make you feel happier. When you're feeling low or in the winter, it can be especially helpful. Your mood can be raised, and seasonal affective disorder, SAD, can be fought with the uplifting scent. Having learned the advantages of burning bay leaves, let's go on to discussing the safe practices. Here's a detailed how-to. Number 1. Pick 1 or 2 dry bay leaves. Number 2. The leaf should be placed on a heat-resistant surface, such as a small shallow bowl or ceramic dish. Number 3. Using a candle or a match, light the leaf. Number 4. Allow it to burn for a short while until smoke begins to emerge. Number 5. Put out the flame and let the leaves smolder so that the fragrant smoke can escape. As with every practice, there comes precautions. And while burning bay leaves can be a wonderful practice, it's essential to keep a few precautions in mind. Make sure to use them in a well-ventilated room. Keep the burning bay leaf away from flammable materials. Avoid inhaling too much of the smoke, as excessive inhalation can irritate the respiratory system. In a nutshell, burning bay leaves has several benefits, ranging from lowering stress and promoting better sleep to elevating your mood and respiratory health. Try it out and see if it can improve your life in any way. May the scent of burning bay leaves offer you well-being and tranquility. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more.